Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, we went along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and considered it nothing but Hajj. When we reached and made circuit of Allah's house, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever does not have a sacrificial animal should take off ihram. So whosoever had not brought the sacrificial animal took off the ihram, pilgrim garb, and the women who had not brought the animal, they also took off the ihram. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, I started menstruating and did not make circuit of Allah's house. When the night of Hasbah approached, I said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people will return after performing the Hajj and Umrah, and I after performing only Hajj. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, didn't you perform tawaf the night when we reached Makkah Mukarramah? I said, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go to Tan'im along with your brother, put on the ihram for Umrah, then come to such and such a place. Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha said, I thought I would detain them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you barren shaven-headed, did not you perform tawaf on the day of sacrifice? She said, why not? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then there is no harm. Let's move. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam met me when he was mounting the ascent of Makkah, and I was going to dismount it, or I was going to mount it, and he was about to dismount it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1561.